Okay, good morning students. In this also we see some problems. Okay, some problems and a theorem regarding a basis. Okay, come to the problem. If alpha 1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma minus 1, alpha 2 equal to minus 3 comma minus 6 comma minus 3, alpha 3 equal to 2 comma 1 comma 3 and alpha 4 equal to 8 comma 7 comma 7, and if s equal to set alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 is such that L of s equal to W. So here minus 3 comma 6 comma plus 3 only. Okay, then find a basis of W by reducing capital S. So here what given? Capital S, set alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4. So here also mentioned the alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 vectors, the ordered triples. Okay, like this, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4. So what he asked? Find a basis of W by reducing capital S. By reducing capital S. That means from capital S we have to abstract the basis of the vector space W. Here what he asked? Such that L of S equal to W means here W is a vector space. Whatever it may be, it is R cube of R power 4 or C cube of R, whatever it may be. Okay. W అనేది ఇక్కడ వెక్టర్ స్పేస్ గా మెన్షన్ చేశాడు. అది R cube or C cube అనేది ఏదైనా కానివ్వండి. ఓకేనా? So what given here S equal to alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 such that this S, the set capital S spans W. That means L of S equal to W. Now we are going to abstract or find a basis from this capital S. ఈ S నుంచి మనం ఒక basis ని తీసుకొని రావాలి. Okay. Now see the solution. See the solution. Given capital S equal to set alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 is such that given S equals at alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, comma, where alpha 1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma minus 1, alpha 2 equal to minus 3 comma minus 6 comma plus 3. Next, alpha 3 equal to 2 comma 1 comma 3, 2 comma 1 comma 3 and alpha 4 equal to 8 comma 7 comma 7. B 4 vectors, B 4 vectors in a vector space, capital W. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, B 4 vectors in a vector space capital W. Of course here we mentioned given capital S equal to set alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4. So here mentioned what are alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4. So here we are right, we are introducing the set capital S, about capital S. So B a subset, B a subset of a vector space W. So S equal to set alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, where alpha 1 equal to 1 to minus 1, alpha equal to minus 3, minus 6, 3, alpha 3 equal to 1, 3 and alpha 4 equal to 8, comma 7, comma 7. This set be a subset of a vector space W such that, okay sir, statement lo vaade em ichadu lekkalo, such that L of S equal to W. L of S equal to W. Now we are going to find a basis by reducing this capital S. Okay now? If we observe alpha 1 and alpha 2, we have alpha 2 equal to minus 3, minus 6, 3. Okay. Please take minus 3 as common. Minus 3 common తీస్తారు కదా ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి 1, 2, minus 1. If we take common minus 3 from this vector alpha 2, we get minus 3 into 1, 2, minus 1, that equal to minus 3 into this is alpha 1, 1, 2, minus 1. So here alpha 2 is a linear combination of, here alpha 2 is a linear combination of its preceding vector alpha 1. Okay. Therefore alpha 2 is a linear combination of alpha 1. So capital S is not Li. Why? Because if capital S is Li, then these 4 vectors are independent, they are not related to each other. Okay, S కనుక లీనియర్లీ ఇండిపెండెంట్ అయితే 4 కూడా ఏమవుతాయంటే ఒకదానికి లీనియర్లీ ఇండిపెండెంట్గా అవుతాయి. Okay, that's why we have a statement, if capital S is LD then any vector is a linear combination of its preceding vector. ఒక సెట్ లీనియర్లీ డిపెండెంట్ అయితే వీటిలో ఒక వెక్టర్ ముందు వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్లీ కాంబినేషన్ అవుతుందని. హియర్ ఆల్ఫా 2 is a linear combination of its preceding vector alpha 1. So from this capital S is LD, therefore capital S is linearly dependent. So since capital S is LD, it may not be a basis. మనకేం కావాలి సెట్ నుంచి we are going to find the basis we have to find a basis of W from this capital S. S నుంచి నాకు ఒక బేసిస్ కావాలి, కానీ ఇక్కడ S అనేది LD అవుతుంది, బేస్ అవ్వాలంటే LI అవ్వాలి. If you want to show capital S is basis, capital S must be LI, but here capital S is LD, so capital S may not be a basis. Now to find a basis from capital S, we have to remove this alpha 2 from S. ఓకేనా, ఎస్ అనేది ఎప్పటికి కూడా ఇక బేసిస్ అవ్వదు, ఎస్ లీనియర్లీ డిపెండెంట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి. మరి ఎస్ నుంచి మనకి బేసిస్ కావాలంటే ఏ వెక్టార్ని అయితే ఇంకొక వెక్టార్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ రాసామో ఆ వెక్టార్ని ఎస్ నుంచి తీసేయాలి. ఓకే, హియర్ సిన్స్ ఆల్ఫా 2 ఈజ్ ఎ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా 1, to get a basis from capital S, we have to remove this alpha 2 from capital S. Okay, now remove alpha 2 from capital S. So let S1 equal to alpha 1, alpha 3, alpha 4. So we have to remove alpha 2. So we get the remaining vectors are alpha 1, alpha 3 and alpha 4. Okay, again also C alpha 4. See alpha 4 equal to 8, 7, 7. This 8, 7, 7 is also can be distributed as 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 plus 3 into 2, 1, 3. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 plus 3 into 2, 1, 3. So please add this. If we simplify, we get 8, 7, 7. 2 1s are 2 plus 3 2s are 6. Component wise addition. Next second terms, 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. Next 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 3s are 9. 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 3 7, 9 minus 2 7. So here alpha 4 equal to 8 7 7, which is represented as 2 into 1 2 minus 1 plus 3 into 2 1 3. So that equal to here 2 into 1 2 minus 1 means alpha 1 plus 3 into 2 comma 1 comma 3 means alpha 3. So we have alpha 4 equal to 2 alpha 1 plus 3 alpha 3. So here alpha 4 is a linear combination of its preceding vectors. So from capital S, here capital S the vectors are alpha 1, alpha 3, alpha 4, and here we have alpha 4 equal to 2 alpha 1 plus 3 alpha 3. That means here alpha 4 is a linear combination of its preceding vectors alpha 1 and alpha 3. Therefore alpha 1 is a linear combination of alpha 1 and alpha 3. Therefore S1 is LD, not LI. Therefore S1 is LD. So S1 may not be a basis. ఇక్కడ కూడా S1 అనేది మనకి లీనియర్లీ డిపెండెంట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఈ S1 అనేది మనకి బేసిస్ అవ్వదు. నెక్స్ట్ we remove this alpha 1 from capital S1. Remove so alpha 4 from S1 to find a basis. ఓకేనా, ఒక బేసిస్ కావాలంటే ఏ వెక్టార్ని అయితే ఇంకో వెక్టార్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ రాసామో ఆ వెక్టార్ని రిమూవ్ చేసేయాలి. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో ఫ్రమ్ క్యాపిటల్ S alpha 2 is a linear combination of alpha 1. That's why we remove alpha 2 from capital S and we call it as S1, alpha 1, alpha 3, alpha 4. Here also alpha 4 is a linear combination of alpha 1 and alpha 3. Therefore to get a basis we remove this alpha 4 from capital S1. So let S2 equal to, let the remaining set is alpha 1 and alpha 3. Alpha 1 and alpha 3 is such that here also we remove here S1 equal to alpha 1 alpha 3. See, we remove alpha 2 from capital S. Therefore the remaining set is S1 equal to alpha 1 alpha 3 and alpha 4. Okay, here also we have S1 is a subset of capital S. S1 అనేది S కి సబ్సెట్ అవుతుంది, and also from S alpha 2 is a linear combination of its preceding vector, if we this S1 is we get S1 by reducing alpha 2 from capital S. ఓకేనా, ఎస్ నుంచి ఆల్ఫా 2ని రిమూవ్ చేయడం వల్ల నాకు S1 వచ్చింది. కాబట్టి వీటి రెండింటి లీనియర్ స్పాన్ ఈక్వల్. సో ద లీనియర్ స్పాన్ ఆఫ్ బోత్ ద సెట్స్ L of S1 and L of S both are equal. So what is L of S? They mentioned already in the statement L of S equal to W. L of S equal to W. Therefore L of S1 is also W. Here also we are removing alpha 4. We removed already alpha 4 from S1. We get the resultant set S2 as alpha 1 comma alpha 3. S1 నుంచి alpha 4 remove చేయడం వల్ల నాకు వచ్చే సెట్ ఏంటి, alpha 1 alpha 3. So clearly we have S2 is a subset of S1. This S2 is a subset of S1, and also in S1 alpha 4 is the linear combination of vectors of S2. ఓకే, ఆల్ఫా 4 అనేది ఆల్ఫా 1 ఆల్ఫా 3 రెండు ఎందులో ఉన్నాయి, S2లో ఉన్నాయి. వీటి వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ అవుతుంది. దట్స్ వై ద లీనియర్ స్పాన్స్ ఆఫ్ S1 and S2 are equal, and L of S1 equal to L of S2. Already we have L of S1 equal to W. Okay, since L of S1 equal to W, comma, here L of S1 is equal to L of S2. Therefore L of S2 is also W. L of S2 is also W. Okay, now we are going to check this S2 is Li or Ld. Here from capital S, alpha 2 is a linear combination of alpha 1, therefore S is not Li. Next we come to S1. Here also in S1 alpha 4 is a linear combination of alpha 1 alpha 3, therefore S1 is not Li. Now we get the another set alpha 2 from S1. Now we are going to find this S2 is linearly independent or linearly dependent. Okay, for that we are going to according to the definition of a linearly independent. What is the definition of linearly independent? ఈ రెండు వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ 0 అయిపోయి స్కేలర్స్ 0 అవ్వాలి. The linear combination of these two sets are 0, and if we get the scalars are zeros, then S2 is Li, otherwise S2 is Ld. ఈ రెండు వెక్టర్ S2 యొక్క రెండు వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ 0 అయిపోయి స్కేలర్స్ రెండు కూడా జీరోస్ అయిపోతే S2 Li అవుతుంది, లేకపోతే Ld అవుతుంది. అది మనం వెరిఫై చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. నా కమ్ టు వెరిఫై దట్ వన్. Suppose there exist scalars a comma b such that a alpha 1 plus b alpha 3 equal to 0 bar. A alpha 1 plus b alpha 3 equal to 0 bar. That implies a into, here alpha 1 means 1 2 minus 1 plus b into alpha 3 means 2 comma 1 comma 3 equal to 0 bar means 0 0 0. So therefore 1 into a plus 2b equal to 0. Next 2a plus b equal to 0. Next minus 1 into a minus a plus 3b equal to 0. Call it as equation 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay. Okay, now solving 1 and 3. Okay, solve 1 and 3. So first equation implies a plus 2b equal to 0. Third equation implies minus a plus 3b equal to 0. So a get cancelled, 2b plus 3b equal to 5b equal to 0. That means b equal to 0. If we put b equal to 0 in 1, we get a also 0. Therefore from 1, what is first equation? A plus 2b equal to 0. Since here b equal to 0, we have a equal to 0. So the linear combination of alpha 1 alpha 3 equal to 0 bar, and here we get the scalars a and b are zeros. Therefore alpha 1 alpha 3 belongs to the set S2. We already have S2 equal to set alpha 1 alpha 3. Now here these three vectors, the linear combination of these two vectors are 0, and we get the scalars a and b are both are zeros. Therefore S2 is Li, and S2 is Li, and already we showed L of S2 equal to W, and already we have L of S2 equal to W. From these two, S2 is a basis of W. Therefore S2 is a basis of W. Okay. So, this is the end of the problem. Now, see the sequence how the problem can be solved. So, what he mentioned in the problem, find a basis of W by reducing capital S. First of all, we have S equal to set alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4. First of all, we have alpha 2 is a linear combination of alpha 1. So, therefore, capital S is LD. So, next we remove this alpha 2 from S1, S we get S1 equal to ఇది LD కాబట్టి alpha 2 ని S నుంచి రిమూవ్ చేసాం, S2 వచ్చింది, S1 వచ్చింది, అదేంటి alpha 1, alpha 3, alpha 4. Clearly this S1 is a subset of S, and here in S alpha 2 is a linear combination of vectors of alpha 1, alpha 3, alpha 4. These are the vectors of alpha 1, and a vector in capital S alpha 2 is a linear combination of vectors of S1. సో ఎస్లో ఉన్న ఆల్ఫా టూని ఈ S1లో ఉన్న ఈ మూడు వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ రాసాం. దేర్ ఫోర్ బోత్ హ్యావ్ ద సేమ్ లీనియర్ స్పాన్ L of S1 equal to L of S, that equal to W. Next we have this alpha 4 as, we represent this alpha 4 as linear combination of alpha 1 and alpha 3, that is 2 alpha 1 plus 3 alpha 3. So here alpha 4 is the linear combination of its preceding vectors alpha 1 and alpha 3. Therefore S1 is LD, not Li. Okay. Now remove this alpha 4 from capital S1. So we get S2 equal to set alpha 1 and alpha 3. We remove this alpha 4. Clearly S2 is a subset of S1. S2 is subset of S1, and a vector alpha 4 from S1 is a linear combination of vectors of S2. S1 లో ఉన్న alpha 4 అనేది ఈ రెండు వెక్టర్స్ S2 లో ఉన్నాయి. S2 లో ఉన్న ఈ రెండు వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ రాసాం. Therefore both having same linear span. Therefore L of S2 equal to L of S1. Already L of S1 equal to W. Therefore L of S2 equal to W. We have L of S2 equal to W. Now next we verify that the set S2 is Li or not. In the both cases these two are LD. Then what about S2? For that we take the linear combination of these two vectors alpha 1 alpha 3 linear combination 0 తీసుకొని on simplifying we get the both the scalars are zeros. ఆల్ఫా 1 ఆల్ఫా 3 యొక్క ఈ రెండు వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ 0 తీసుకొని ఆ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్లో ఉన్న స్కేలర్స్ రెండు కూడా మనం జీరోస్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేసాం. ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ S2 ఈజ్ లీనియర్లీ ఇండిపెండెంట్. This S2 is linearly independent. So S2 is linearly independent and L of S2 equal W. From these two, S2 is a basis of W which is obtained from or which is reducing capital S. ఈ ఎస్ని రెడ్యూస్ చేయడం వల్ల ముందు S2 తీసేసాం, తర్వాత S4 తీసేసాం. అలా రెడ్యూస్ చేసుకుంటూ మనకు ఒక బేసిస్ని తీసుకొచ్చాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే.